Copy.
Good evening, sir.
Sir is not here.
Okay.
Hmm.
Hello, good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yesterday, we are just discussing about angular velocity, I think. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Velocity.
See, you have for a Sunday's exam, complete vectors and the graph, velocity, time graph, all that is there. No? We discussed earlier.
Okay, sir.
Understood this? See, if you read this problem carefully, there is a point here. What are the points of that? 1, 2, 3, no? This is point P. Okay. Force is acting here. We have to find torque about this point. Agreed? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How do you define torque?
For R bar cross F bar.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
This is point where force acts. Followed. And what is this A? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the vector AP. Can you tell what is AP bar? Remember that or not?
4I plus 0 0 2.
Second minus first plus, remember this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Plus 3
Displacement.
till here. Any doubt is there?
No, sir. No, sir.
So what is the torque? Force. What is force vector? Understood this or not? Can you do this? IJK
Yes, sir. We can do so.
by determinant method. Do it.
Sir, A is the second point, right?
A to P. What is the second point? AP.
Okay, sir, okay.
Sir?
Hello?
Hello,
Any
sir?
doubt? Tell.
Sir, I am not understanding the meaning. Sir, find torque about point A. Sir, about point.
This is force, no?
Yes, sir.
I want to know the torque about this point. This the body should rotate about this, no?
Yes.
About this point, how to calculate?
Okay, sir.
Sir, minus 39 plus 14j plus 26k.
Minus
39
hmm,
plus 14j plus 26k.
plus
26k.
all of you got this? Should I term this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. Sir, I'm getting different answer for cross product.
Check up. What you got?
42i plus 30j minus 6k
42i.
plus 30j minus 6k.
This is correct. Answer is given as this one. 42i plus 30j minus 6k. Return the page.
Yes, sir.
See, once again I am explaining. Suppose this is AB. This is X1, Y1, Z1. You want to find AB. Actually, what we do, this is OA. Everything's come from triangle only, no? OA bar plus AB bar is OB bar. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We need AB. So OB is second minus first. Followed? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Clear. Clear.
Next. Suppose Understood this? What is P? Understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Wait, sir.
Wait, sir.
See, from tomorrow, please be regular to classes and join early. Beginning in the meeting, I saw 23. Now it became 30. Be regular. Attend from beginning of the class. Don't miss anything. Do the assignments. After the examination, come to me. What all we discussed in the class have come or not, I'll show. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Read that for yourself. What is the statement he has written? See. See, what is the statement he is saying? Is it visible or not?
Visible, sir.
Visible, sir.
All the
Questions in the physics part were covered in class itself.
okay. How do I proceed for examination and all subjects? What is that he has asked?
All subjects.
What is that statement? All the questions in the exam are from your covered in the class. So be regular. Final exam, you will see almost the same questions what we discussed. Your success depends upon regularity to the classes from beginning up to the end. You should be attentive. Doing the assignments, writing the weekends, automatically you will become an IITian. You do miss any of these three, it will be spoiling your career, nothing else. After the exam, you come and meet me, you show your question paper. Sir, these are the things we got. You did not teach that. You can chapel me also. That guarantee I am giving. Be regular at least 22, 20, 20. Beginning of the meeting, 23. How long I will wait till? Okay, shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Usually, after the batch is over, no, the students won't bother the teachers. Because work is over, no? Once he becomes, his exam is over, why he is bothered? Man? If you are in the college or campus, you may be afraid of teachers. Once it is over, they won't. But almost all my students are having good relations with me. Be regular to the classes, you will get that what you deserve. And all my hard work will feel happy, no? And I feel like working more for next batch. In that way, you are helping the community to grow or not? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Tell. Shall I turn this page over?
Yes, sir.
So this is the meaning of torque. Now we have one chapter on this in vectors. I'll ask find the torque only. Find the moment of force. 2I see force is this acting at which point? This vector represent this point only, no? This is x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate. Hello. This is force is acting here. About this point. What is that point? This point x coordinate 1, 2, 3. Now we need the torque of this, no?
Yes, sir.
This is second point minus first point. Cross. So this comes to we can find out, no? Agreed?
Done, sir.
Got this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Understand it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Yes, sir.
Remember what is angular velocity?
Yes, sir.
So here, if a particle is rotating in this direction, fold the fingers. This is omega, no? So the velocity is tangential to the path. This is the position vector of that. Remember this? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Coplanar vectors. Understood this? Understood this or not?
Understood, sir.
And you know that so here omega is I cross see how much you're getting?
4i plus 3j plus k.
4i
Plus 3j plus k.
Yes, sir.
So what is the mod of that?
Root 26.
Return this.
1 minute, sir.
Finished?
1 minute, sir.
Done, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am getting different answers, sir.
Why? Same answer you should get. See, any mistake here.
Yes, sir. See, correct answer.
Okay, sir.
Immediate.
Yes, sir.
Then we have something called as, see, these are chapters separately. Just an introduction we have. Already I come across all this in chemistry and angular momentum I come across.
No, sir.
Sir, no,
No,
sir.
sir.
Angular atomic structure, angular momentum of particle is conserved. NH by 2 pi. You did not learn this?
Not yet, sir.
Huh?
Okay.
Huh?
Sir, in
Not
stoichiometry.
yet.
Not?
We didn't study
Not
it yet.
yet.
Without atomic structure, you are studying chemical bonding and all that.
No,
No,
sir.
sir,
Stoichiometry we are
stoichiometry.
studying, sir, first.
Anyhow, you will see this. Suppose a particle is having a mass m. It is having a speed like this. This is the velocity vector. Okay. And let's say this is A. Okay. Then we need see what is the linear moment of the particle? Can you tell? Mass m, velocity. So what is the linear momentum? Remember what is linear momentum?
Mass velocity.
Mass into velocity.
Linear momentum P, we take the symbol. It is nothing but mass times velocity vector.
Velocity.
Okay. See, observe carefully. Moment of linear momentum about a point m. Same like previously, moment of force.
VR.
What is that you have? L. We define angular momentum as symbol as this. MA, okay, cross P bar. Okay, hold on. So this is nothing but where P bar is this now? Any doubt is there? It is defined like this as the cross product of this. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
if you observe carefully, this A is what? Understood this?
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir,
Tell.
linear moment means what, sir?
Linear moment, product of
Yes.
mass and velocity. I told you we have lessons on that. We'll study one by one. Now our aim is how to apply, find out using cross product and dot product. The meanings of the physical quantities, how they arise, what are the applications. We have separate chapter. Only an angular momentum will deal separately. Only linear momentum will deal in linear, in Newton's laws of motion. Understood this?
Okay, sir.
Hello?
Understood.
See,
Sir,
man,
sir.
when you're a kid, do you know anything about any religious book? When you're born, you don't know. Slowly, you are into it, there is something God. After that, you are asked to lead little bit of religious thing. As you grow up, you'll understand the total religious theory. Followed?
Followed,
So,
sir.
like, so we cannot wait till you'll become old to learn the religious thing, no? So therefore, first they'll say, do prayer 5 times you have to do. Did you ever question why you have to do? Did you question?
No, sir.
You
No,
followed,
sir.
no? So now you are happy only, no?
Yes, sir. Happy.
Like that only. What is linear momentum? Product of mass into velocity. Why you have to do all that? We study one chapter, what is called Newton's laws of motion. What is angular momentum? We study in one chapter called rotational mechanics. What is angular velocity? Also, we study in rotational mechanics. Here, how to apply cross product. Understood this?
Sir, it is L bar.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Tell.
is it L bar?
L bar, L.
Okay, sir.
Still, I did not start physics. I'm telling you now. Vectors is the last part of application of maths. I told you long back now, first we have to finish the basics of maths. Because entire physics needs calculus, trigonometry, this vector. So far I taught you the language to learn physics.
Sir,
Tell.
in the practice enhancement questions which you gave, I'm not understanding the tension, sir. The tension problems, tension related.
You post it in the group, routes group.
Yes, sir. I will post it.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Read the question carefully. Here you have the x-axis, y-axis. So here the particle is moving like this. Therefore, this you agree? He gave this, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is this distance he gave? Y, no? This distance he gave y. See. Agreed or not?
Great, sir.
Agreed, sir.
That means now can you tell about the origin? It's saying 0, 0, 0. Now this point has, say this is some M or A. Can you tell A has a coordinates of what? X coordinate it will have, Y coordinate Y, Z is 0. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Agreed, sir. Agreed.
Any doubt is there? Some X somewhere here now. So angular momentum,
Sir, why you took 0 there?
there is no Z here, it is in which plane?
Yes, sir.
It is
Yes,
in
sir.
which?
XY plane.
Do you agree with this? So OA is this is OA. Cross, what is U bar? U into I cap only, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So you take I, this is X, Y, 0, MU, 0, 0. See how much you are getting? Got this?
Got, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir,
Tell.
I am not understanding what is the meaning of about, sir. Sir, angular
About,
momentum.
about which point? Oh no.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you
So-
need about this, then you should take like this. Angular moment about a point will exist. Angular moment about a torque about a point will exist. Follow
Okay,
this?
sir. Yes, sir. Follow, sir.
That's why torque. Torque is also about which point. You cannot say find the torque. Torque about which point? Because when point changes, automatically R changes now. If this point is here, R will change or not? If this point here, R will change or not?
It will change, sir.
Same force, point changes, automatically torque will change. Same linear momentum, point changes, definitely angular momentum will change.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir. Thank you, sir. Understood.
Done, sir.
So can we go to prayer?
What time?
Till 5:30 you can take.
That's what. Wait. After this, you can go. Always, what is the closing time you tell? If from tomorrow, shall I fix from 5 to 6:30?
So from 5:15 to you can take
Time is
6.
5.
Huh?
To take from
5:15.
After
5:15.
5:15, sir. After 5:15 you can take, sir, please.
So before it is not possible now.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this time is only correct.
Huh?
No, sir, for 5:15. Please, sir.
So 5:15 to 6:45 you can take.
4 to 5:30 also okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 4 to 5:30, okay.
4
Or
to
5:15.
5:30.
So, no, sir, we can't offer Salah at that time.
Okay, now 5:15 to 6:45.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
6:45
Okay, sir.
we should
Right.
master.
Okay, sir.
6:40 it will
5
start.
5:15 to
6:30. 6:30.
no man.
Sir,
6:35
you better
magan
take by 4 to 5:30, sir. It would be best.
No, no, no. See, I can take only during these timings, man. 3 to 4:30. 4:30 to 6. You tell any slot. Here you are having chemistry, I think.
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes, sir.
possibility is this. This I can extend to maximum. You are asking, I will take this.
Okay, sir.
Or
Sir,
4:30 to
again
6.
we are
6:30.
having prayer at
6:30 you can take,
6:30.
sir.
6:30.
6:30, sir.
Okay, if I start at 4:30, what is your prayer time you tell?
If we
If we
start
start at
5:15,
4:30, we should go for 5:15 or 5:20, sir, for namaz.
Again, you'll come back in 10
5
minutes now.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We will come
So
back,
for
sir.
4:32 you can take 5, then 5 to 5:15 you can give break.
5:15 you'll return back, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will be back at 5:15.
Okay. 5:15 to 6:15. Okay?
Okay,
1.5
sir.
hour we'll get.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Somewhere every class we are finding difficult at this time. Okay, anyhow. He's asking vector of magnitude. Suppose we need a vector C is √3. He says that direction is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar is saying. So can you tell what is A bar cross B bar You have
Oh, three.
mod A, mod B, sin theta into n cap, no? Or mod of A cross B, n cap. What is this n cap? Unit vector perpendicular to what?
Plane
Remember?
containing A and B.
both A bar and B bar.
So we'll do this only. A bar cross B bar. Find out this. I, J, K. Okay, therefore, what is n cap? A bar cross B bar by we'll get this or not, see. Therefore, what is C bar? Mod C into C cap. This is root 3 into this is nothing but n cap only, no? Any doubt is there in this?
No, sir. No, sir.
Is it clear till here?
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, sir.
So this completes your vectors. So next class I'll start motion in one dimension. At least be regular from the next class at least. Okay. And I think hopefully you'll complete the assignment by this Sunday at least.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Near completion, sir.
Near completion,
Good.
sir. Just the 30 questions.
See, after doing assignment, you will only feel easy, no?
Yes, sir. Very easy.
Your confidence levels will increase. Nothing, I won't gain anything. So don't think I'm harassing or torturing. I'm just making because you're still kids, no? You feel that like 10th class. So 10th is totally different. That is only a time pass. School means time pass. Right, then go to a prayer. Tomorrow we shall have the class. Okay?
From Monday, new chapter, sir. From Monday.
Wait, tomorrow holiday. Huh?
No, sir. Tomorrow also you will continue this one, sir.
No. Why? What I'll do? I complete everything. What else is there?
Practice, sir.
We'll see.
Yes,
Tomorrow
sir.
you come.
Practice.
Okay. Right. Take care then. Bye.
Bye,
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
check.